In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Shopify order confirmation emails with easy edits. If you're running an online store on Shopify, these confirmation emails are one of the primary ways you communicate with your customers. They provide key information about purchases, serve as a professional touchpoint, and can even enhance your branding. Let's dive into how you can make them your own. Firstly, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify admin. This is the control center for your store, a place where you can manage products, track sales, and, most importantly for today, customize communications. Once you're there, direct your attention to the menu on your left-hand side and find the Settings option. Clicking here is your gateway to making a variety of adjustments across your store. After selecting Settings, you'll see several options related to different aspects of your store. In this menu, you'll want to choose Notifications. This section specifically deals with emails and other notifications sent out to customers, from order confirmations to shipping updates. This is exactly where we want to be. Once inside the notification settings, look for Customer Notifications. This subsection will drill down into the specific types of emails your store sends out. You'll see a list of different automated messages, but our focus today is order confirmation. Go ahead and click on it. Now that you've clicked into order confirmation, you'll see an option to edit code. It's here that you can start customizing your email template. Clicking on Edit Code opens up the HTML editor where you can directly tweak the template. If you're comfortable using HTML, this is a fantastic opportunity to introduce your own branding elements, include personalized messages, or adjust the layout to better reflect your store's style. That's it. 6 simple steps to customize your Shopify order confirmation emails. Before you hit save, it's smart to take a moment to preview the changes you've made. This will allow you to ensure everything looks perfect before it reaches your customers' inboxes. If you're not comfortable with HTML, don't worry. Shopify's editor is fairly user-friendly, and there are plenty of resources online to guide you through any specifics. Remember, the key with these customizations is to ensure the information is clear, the branding is consistent, and the overall look is professional. By making thoughtful changes, you're not only conveying vital information, but also reinforcing the credibility and character of your brand with every order confirmation email you send. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy customizing!